So you guys are going to Fireside Grille in Middleborough, Mass today for Bridgewater State's formal dance. And you know what, guys? For one, I'm dressed like a solar panel salesman, and two, I'm going to say nothing about the weather today. Let's go. All right, guys, so I just finished pumping the gas. I only had to sell one kidney in order to fill up the tank. So that's good news. But I just wanted to stop here before I get on the road and drive my 40 minutes to this gig, just to say thank you guys for subscribing and commenting. And if you haven't done so, please do so now. And let's build a community here. So I want to be able to follow as many of you guys and subscribe to all of your channels. So for now, on this video, anyone who comments, I am going to subscribe to your channel. So let's build a community, and I would encourage you guys in the comment section to subscribe to the other DJs that are in the comment sections. All right, let's make this journey. Guys, so my goal with these load-in videos is to share with you guys as many I want to set a record for how many load-ins I can share with you guys, and hopefully it helps one of you DJs with loading in some of these places. So this one is actually super easy. You just pull right up to the front, and then they have parking spaces that you just pull your car straight into. So I'm actually really looking forward to this one. I'm gonna speed up the video right now. Stairs, my favorite. All right, so I think you guys see my dilemma here with this space. If it doesn't sound good, then they're going down onto the dance floor. But I think they're gonna be all right. But small party, I think there's 90 confirmed. So it should be good, but who knows? All right, sound test. I have it way down because it is 5:20 and I got 40 minutes till this thing starts. It's just flying through these load-ins. So even with it being low, I'm gonna do a sound test. from back here. I'm gonna unplug in 3, 2, 1. So you can hear, it's just driving my OCD, but functionality wise, I think we're good. All right guys, so I don't know if you can tell, but I've been awake for 3 straight days trying to figure out this Mac OS system issue. So the Tahoe, I wanted to go back from Tahoe, that operating system, back to Sequoia, and I'm up, and I don't know if any DJs can relate to this, but I'm up and I'm watching YouTube tutorials on how to go back in time, and you get to a certain point of the tutorial where you're like, all right, I'm hitting this button and I'm hitting that button, and then it's not doing the same thing that you're seeing on the video. So I dealt with that for like 3 days straight. The solution that I came up with was I'm gonna stick with Tahoe, but I downgraded from Serato 4.0 to 3.5. And it seems to be working, and I put it through a stress test, a rigorous stress test, but it was everything I could possibly throw at this system in 1 hour. But this is a 3-hour event. So we'll see. I'll give an update for you guys. All right, so I'm about halfway done with this event, and my Serato crashing anxiety is pretty much completely subsided. I got my food underneath here, and then I'm just kind of waiting for the staff to just clear out this food over here at the buffet so that I can open up the dance floor. So a lot of kids requested house music, so I'm kind of just staying in that genre for now. And then we'll go into some pop, fun, college-loving, fist-bumping vibes, but going surprisingly smooth. I think what I needed was a nice chicken parm dinner to kind of calm down the anxiety, and then I streamed a couple songs, and you know, so I feel good. Despite how I look and sound, because I'm just gone off of 2 hours of sleep, but we're gonna get through this. All right, my party people, who's ready to dance? I think I need a little bit more enthusiasm than that. On the count of 3, who's ready to dance? 1, 2, 3, make some noise. That's better. All right, head on over to the dance floor. Is it sexy? Is it baggy? Is it deep? Is it baggy? What's it down to? Is it party? Where's the function? What about the function? What about the function? Now y'all, cha-cha again. Turn it out. All right, good morning everybody. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I realized I rushed out of last night's gig without recording the breakdown, and that was sort of by design because I needed to try to get home as fast as possible to get as much sleep as possible so I could wake up and do it all over again in the morning. So I'll give you guys a little gig recap while I'm on my way to my next gig, which is Dick's House of Sport. I'm all Dick's House of Sport swagged out, but I'm also in half formal attire because I have a formal event for MIT later tonight. So I'm just staying in Boston. Last night was incredible. There was a moment in time that things might have gotten a little out of control, and I don't know if you guys have ever done this before, but I'm panning with my camera to the left and I'm watching what's going on through my camera, and I see some girl almost knock over my speaker, and I didn't react fast enough because I'm looking through the screen and I'm like, wait, did I just see what I think I just saw? Oh no. So I had to rush over and just make sure she understood, hey, that's not a pole, that's a that speaker, very expensive. So but overall, great. What I did kind of realize was, I think, and I take accountability for this, I didn't see that fist bumping crazy energy. You know, I tried bouncing back and forth on the stage and just trying to get the crowd to match my energy a little bit, but I've realized with the Sequoia and Tahoe issue that I was facing, maybe I didn't have the best energy myself, and maybe the crowd didn't react to that. So that's me taking accountability for that. But overall, fun party. Because I rushed out of there so fast, I almost left some stuff behind. And one of the police officers that was detailing the event, he took his flashlight. He goes, "Hey, where are you going?" And I'm like, "Home." He goes, "No, you're not. You left some stuff over here on the curb." I'm like, "Oh no." So kind of embarrassing, but it happens even 15 years later. But here we go.